Okay, so we just looked at subtracting fraction models, and so we'll just real quick look at a adding fraction model as well. These are much easier. Y'all did really well on these. Just thought, again, I would just review them real quick. So first thing, when you have two fraction models, is you can label what those fractions are. And so first of all, this fraction up here is 3/6. This fraction right here is obviously 1/3. We know we can't add two fractions together until they have common denominators, but since there's a model here, makes it super easy for us. Now we look at our choices. They both say 3/6 plus 1/3, so we're just looking to see what it equals, and we know they have to have a common denominator in the answer, but when we'll use the model, we can just extend our line here, and so we can tell that 1/3 is the same thing as 2/6. And so, like when we looked at these at school, you could literally take your 1/3, which we just made into 6, and this one would fit right here, and this one would fit right here. And so then if we shade those in, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we would know that this would be our answer. And you would know that 4/9 could not be your answer because 6 does not go into 9, but 3 does.